Today we are going to discuss how a refrigerator's light works. We'll see from a prototype. Here's my box. As soon as I open it, the light starts. As soon as I press it close, stops. Well, what's happening? Here's the limit switch. The switch is being pressed as soon as I close it, as soon as I close the box. The switch is pressed, which closes off the light. As you can see from here, I open it, the light is glowing. I close it, the light stops. Let's see the circuit and see what's happening. Here's my limit switch. Here's my battery. Here's my LED. So, this is a circuit which is an NC circuit. That means a normally closed circuit. As soon as I stop pressing the switch, the circuit becomes a closed circuit. This is how a limit switch works. I have my battery connected to the C terminal of the limit switch, and my LED is connected to the NC terminal of the limit switch. This is how when I leave the box, when I leave the flap, the switch is open now, unpressed, and it makes my circuit complete. This is exactly how a refrigerator works. We just want the light to glow when we open the fridge so we can see what all is there inside. Not when we have closed door. So that this way we are able to save our light as well, light bills. When we open it, the light starts. Ta-da! Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.